Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, we will be discussing the crime of delaying release. Delaying release. The crime of delaying release is governed by Article 126 of the Revised Penal Code. Under Article 126 of the Revised Penal Code, delaying release is a crime committed by any public officer or employee who delays for the period of time specified in Article 124 of the Revised Penal Code the performance of any judicial or executive order for the release of a prisoner or detention prisoner, or unduly delays the service of the notice of such order to said prisoner or the proceedings upon any petition for deliberation of such person. From Article 126, we can now enumerate the elements of the crime of delaying release, to wit, first, offender is a public officer or employee. Second, there is a judicial or executive order for the release of the prisoner or detention prisoner, or that there is proceeding upon a petition for the liberation of such person. Third, offender without good reasons delays the service of notice of such order to the prisoner, performance of such judicial or executive order for the release of the prisoner, or proceedings upon a petition for the release of such person. Now let us discuss each of the elements of the crime. First element, offender is a public officer or employee. The officers liable are usually the jail wardens or guards, but they include the arresting officers who have not yet turned over the arrested person to the jail, and those directed to serve the orders of release. Ang sabi dito, ang karaniwang nagkakasala ay jail wardens or guards, pero hindi lang po sila. Pwede rin pong court personnel na nagsaserve ng mga orders of release galing korte. Second element, there is a judicial or executive order for the release of the prisoner or detention prisoner, or that there is a proceeding upon a petition for the liberation of such person. Take note that the prisoners could be prisoners by final judgment or detention prisoners. Sino nga ba ang nag-order ng release ng prisoners? First, the court. For example, in cases where arrested person posted bail, or the court found no probable cause to detain him. Second, the office of the president. For example, pag magagrant siya ng pardon or amnesty. Third, the Commissioner of Immigration and Deportation. This is with respect to aliens who are under detention by the Bureau of Immigration and Deportation. Fourth, the Board of Pardons and Parole. This is for the grant of parole. Fifth, the Prosecutor's Office. These refer to cases under investigation prior to said case being filed in court. Example, walang probable cause kaya i-dismiss yung complaint or walang valid warrantless arrest. Next, third element, offender without good reason. First, delays the service of notice of such order to the prisoner. For example, hindi niya agad binigay yung notice. Second, delays the performance of such judicial or executive order for the release of the prisoner. This means he delays taking the necessary steps to effect the release. Hindi niya ginawa yung mga kinakailangang hakbang upang mapalaya ang bilanggo. Third, delays the proceedings upon a petition for the release of such person. Example, ayaw mong papuntahin yung prisoner sa court para sa hearing ng petition niya for habeas corpus. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.